Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. I'm here to show you tasty food made easy. I'm not a trained cook, I'm an engineer, and I used to think that cooking was hard, but after simplifying the process, I made cooking easy and fun. So if I can do it, you can do it. Today I'm going to show you how to make Swedish pizza salad. In Sweden, this salad is given with every pizza order, dine-in or takeout, and I'll show you how to make it at home. Start preparing by boiling a large pot of water, then cut a green cabbage in half, then cut the cabbage down into thin strips. A bread knife or a mandolin works great. When you're done cutting the cabbage, transfer it to a colander. Place the colander in the sink and carefully and slowly pour the boiling water all over the cabbage. This is to make the cabbage softer. Then pour about 2 quarts of cold water on top of them again. Now use your hands and knead the cabbage to break down all the fibers. Then transfer the cabbage to a large salad serving bowl. Now prepare the salad dressing in a small bowl. Pour in a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of seasoned rice vinegar, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and a couple of drops of green Tabasco sauce. Now mix the dressing well and pour it over the cabbage. Use salad tongs or spoons to mix up the cabbage. And there you go, Swedish pizza salad. This salad is a great side dish, not just for pizza. Speaking about pizza, what's your favorite pizza topping? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.